Hello students, let us discuss crystal lattice and the unit cell in this video. As we have already discussed that crystalline solids have definite orderly arrangement of the particles in the three-dimensional space. As we have discussed the structure of NaCl, diamond, graphite, in all these we can find a definite or we can say a regular arrangement of the particle. This arrangement or we can say the entire arrangement is called as crystal lattice. As shown in the figure, it is a crystal, one of the crystal lattice in which there is particular sites or we can say the position which is occupied by the particles. The particles may be atoms, ions or molecule. This particular site which is occupied by the particles are called as lattice points or the lattice sites. In the crystal lattice, there is a repeating unit which is repeated throughout the crystal lattice. This repeating unit is called as unit cell. As in this figure, cube is the repeating one. So, a particular that cube is represented as the unit cell. So, let us define crystal lattice. Crystal lattice is a regular arrangement of the constituent particles which can be atoms, ions or molecule of a crystalline solid in three-dimensional space. And the lattice points or the sites can be defined as the position occupied by atoms, ions or molecules in the crystal lattice is called as lattice points. Let us discuss these crystal lattice point and unit cell through a visual in order to make the concept more clear. Crystal lattice. The regular arrangement of atom, ions or molecules inside the solid form a particular pattern which is called crystal lattice. This pattern of arrangement is in three-dimensional form as shown in the visuals. Here, a unit which is repeating throughout the crystal lattice is called as unit cell, and each point in the crystal lattice is represented by a constituent particle. It may be atom, ion or molecule. Let us discuss more about unit cell. Unit cell. It is the smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice. Let us find what are the parameters of unit cell. There are 6 parameters of a unit cell. Let us consider our unit cell as a cube. Now look at the figure in this. Here there are edges and the length of each edge are marked as A, B and C. Let A is the length, B is the breadth and C is the height. So the three length or we can say the length of 3 edges are represented as A, B and C. These are the 3 parameters. We can say it's a dimensions along the 3 edges. The other parameters are, that is angle. Here the 3 edges, there is angle between the 3 edges that is represented as, this is one angle that is represented alpha, this angle is represented as beta and this angle is represented as gamma. So the 3 angles between the edges are alpha, beta and gamma. So total 3 edge lengths, that is A, B, C, and 3 angles between the edges, that is alpha, beta, gamma, are the parameters of unit cell. We can say total 6 parameters are there. Now depending upon the parameters, there are 7 crystal systems. These are simple cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, triclinic, monoclinic and rhombohedral. So depending upon the parameters, these are of 7 type. A table is given in the textbook showing the 7 crystal system with their angles and the edges length. So go through the table. So this is all we have discussed about a crystal lattice, unit cell, crystal points and the 7 crystal system. So this is all we have discussed. The details of the crystal system will be discussed in the next video. Thank you everyone.